How to see hidden photos in iOS 18. So if you're using iOS 18 on your iPhone and you want to see all your hidden photos on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to see hidden photos in iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Once you open the Photos app on your iPhone, you want to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Just keep scrolling. Keep scrolling until you see Media Type and Utilities. So go ahead and click on Utilities. Under Utilities, you see Hidden. So this is where your hidden photos are located in the iPhone iOS 18 version. So click on Hidden. Then you see Use Face ID to view this album. View album and then confirm your Face ID. Once you confirm your Face ID, then you're going to see all your hidden photos on your iPhone. Then go ahead, view them just like this. And then you can hide this photo or delete them. Just select all. Click on these three dots. Here you see you can hide them, add to album, or just come here and then delete all the hidden photos. And then you're good to go. So that is basically how to see hidden photos in iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.